What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it's totally probably the most useless thing I'm going to be installing and unboxing for you guys, because apparently Bladed Angel says that it's worthless. So I guess without any further ado, here we go. But before I get this video started, I do want to give a really big shout out to pretty much everybody who's subscribed to the channel, who has been following me. I just really appreciate it. Yeah, because I still made 1,000 subscribers, so I'm very happy with that. So what's in this box? Why is everybody driving so close? What's in this box is a pointless mod that Bladed Angel says that it is pretty much useless and you shouldn't spend over $100 on it. This was not over $100. This was actually like $50 from FAB. Big shout out to them. I've been getting a lot of my stuff from them, like engine-based stuff. But in this box, it is a throttle body spacer. So before we get diving down and unboxing it, basically what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to give you a little bit more throttle response, maybe add 1 or 2 more horsepower. That's basically it, and better fuel economy. So we'll see how well that goes. If my fuel economy goes a little bit better, I will definitely be doing a review more about it. So yeah, that's what's gonna have to happen. I gotta figure out where to put my camera, but yeah, with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive down and unbox this throttle body spacer. Oh, and we're gonna also obviously install it too. Pretty simple. Okay, so in this box right here, we have the throttle body spacer. So just opening it up. Sorry, it's really hard for me to get a good lighting and everything. So when you open up the box, you have this bag right here, which has all your hardware, your O-ring, and this little guy right here. I'll explain to this little plug right here. I'll explain that later when we get into the actual hardware. So yeah, that's pretty much the hardware that comes with it. We'll put that right there. And then the meat and potatoes of the video is this throttle body spacer. So I kind of wish you can get like a different color, but yeah, it comes like in this like brushed aluminum. Sorry. There you go. Yeah, this brushed aluminum. Hold on. Yeah, this brushed aluminum. If I'm mistaken, I thought it did have the FAB engraving on it, but I guess not. I mean, it's still pretty cool anyway. If anything, I would go get it powder coated, if that's up to you guys. What you guys want to do, get it powder coated. But that little plug right here is for meth injection, or I think they said water injection or something like that, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, this is like for a meth injection port. I don't have that, so obviously I'm gonna plug that up. I think I have some Loctite, so I'll be using some Loctite for that. But yeah, this is the design. I don't know what else to really say. But we're gonna go ahead and install this right now, and we'll do some what I'm gonna do is I'm obviously gonna be driving around the car for like a couple days, and kind of get used to it and give you my honest opinion in about a day or so. Well, I guess like a week or so, depending on when I get the chance to upload. But yeah, honestly, the design of this is really nice. It's really light, so you're not adding any weight. I mean, you're adding weight, but not a significant amount of weight. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. You will need some Allen keys. I actually have mine in my car. You're gonna need some Allen keys. These are all rusted and gross, but yeah, let's go ahead and pop the hood and get started. Alright, so first things first is locating your throttle body. It is right here on an EcoBoost Mustang. It is god awful. fucking manifold, all that shit. And then it's gonna be 8 mil. Oh shit. Yeah, 8 mil socket, deep socket if you can reach it. Right here, like legit right here. There's 4 of them because they give you 4 bolts and then the plug bolts. So go ahead and take those out, and then you're gonna put the spacer in between here. Which way? No clue. We'll figure that out. And also comes with a gasket. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Alright, after a lot of adjusting, this is the throttle body spacer. In my install, I had to, let's see if I can find it here. Cooler piping from FAB. I had to readjust all that in there. And then I had to take off the throttle body itself, move around my intake piping, which I need to actually re-bolt and kind of adjust. So I got to actually tighten that up, and then take off all this, which I do want to get a new intake soon, but one thing at a time. With all that being said, guys, so the O-ring goes toward the throttle body, toward the car, and then it was just a pain in the butt to get all 4 screws on. But we can go ahead and try and start her up. Actually, no. Let me go ahead and tighten up that bolt real quick. Alright, we got it. We got it. Tighten that bad boy up. It shouldn't pop off, and if it does, it's fine. I'll just get more clips. But I guess we can go ahead and start her up. Oh, my back hurts. Oh, hunching over for almost an hour. All right. Trunk ajar, yes. All that stuff. Always check it. So far, let's give a little blip of the throttle, see what happens. Well, that was a pain in the ass, but anyway, like I said, it was not an easy install, especially if you have aftermarket stuff on. I do have aftermarket intercooler piping and charge pipes and all that stuff, so yeah, it was a pain. But with all that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when my videos do come out, and I will catch you guys all later in the next video. Peace.